Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Instagram. Sorry, there was a problem with your request in iPhone. If you're using Instagram and you're trying to log in with your Instagram account but you're facing this type of message, that sorry, there was a problem with your request. So let's see about some possible fixes. So the very first thing is that you just have to double check your username, email, or your mobile number which you have entered, and then you have to also check your password that you have entered correct information. After checking, go back and you have to open yours or scroll in the control center, and you have to make sure that you have a stable and a strongest network connection. It might be your Wi-Fi or cellular data. You can also try to enable or disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times. It will make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here and open your App Store, go for search, and you have to simply search for Instagram. And you have to make sure that there's no any pending updates for your Instagram app. If you find, try to update your app. After updating, you just have to go back and then open your settings, go for general, go for VPN device management, and you have to make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. If you're connected, try to disconnect with that. After disconnecting, you have to check that your issue is fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, go back from here. Go for transfer reset iPhone, select reset network settings, enter your iPhone passcode, and then select reset network settings on the confirmation message pop up. Then it will not delete any kind of data. It will only reset your network settings, then go back and you have to retry if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed, so it might be that there will be an issue with your app. You just have to go for iPhone storage and then select Instagram, and you have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete app. So after offloading or deleting, you have to reinstall your app. So after reinstallation, your issue will be fixed. If there will be any bug or any malware into your Instagram app, it will be fixed in this step, and after that you'll not get the issue again. Or if you're still facing the same issue, so it might be the server error that your Instagram server is still down. You just have to wait for almost 1 hour or 2 hours. Sometimes it might take 24 hours. So you have to wait, and after that you have to retry, and you will be completely logged in with your Instagram account. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.